This is medical detectives, one of my electives. We're working with the bones right now, and we're doing facial muscles, and we're making our own person and saying like their name, where they live, 2 details about their life and how they died.
We're working on biological and forensic crimes. So we had to pick which one we were going to do. I chose forensic. Forensic is crime-related, and biological is something that happened a while ago and it wasn't crime-related.
My person's name is Catherine. She died in 1999. She was an orthopedic surgeon and she had 5 kids. It was like a snowstorm and she was driving on black ice and her car spun out, causing her to flip over and over multiple times. Her injuries were so bad that she didn't even make it to the hospital. And she broke both of her legs and her clavicle, and she fractured her jawbone, and then she had a blood clot, and it caused her to die. So yeah, that's Catherine.